Okay, can download the image in Chrome. Save as. Yes, destination save. Show. File. Save. Save. File. Okay, because this destination is full. Is no space to download this image in this destination. So I change the destination when I save this image, because example save I change to desktop. With desktop I rename as fix error download in Chrome or any browser. Yes, show. That's it. Show in. Double click. That's the image. Yes, that's the image. The same thing I make in Firefox, for example. Yes, double click in Firefox, paste and go. That's the image. Save this destination in yes, maximize and save it. Save. File it. You show file it. Retry. File it. Retry. File it. Retry. File it. Okay, but when I change the destination in another folder, for example the desktop, I have many space. I show from Firefox, save. That's it. Open file. Here is the file. It's easy. Easy. Not for Chrome. Any browser. If you haven't got space, for example, yes, let's me go desktop. Yes, look at the date is full. Say I save in date, but I haven't got any space. I save in desktop. Desktop is C. Or I can save in E or F, but when I save in folder when in full, donc you can't save no video or image. It's easy. Like and comment.